Unti-unti niya nang naaabot ang mga pangarap ng subukin ng tadhana ang kanyang tatag dahil sa sakit sa balat. Kinoronahan bilang 2017 second runner-up Grand International si Elizabeth Durado Clancy. Nagbigay daan ito sa mas marami pa sanang oportunidad. Pero gumuho ang kanyang mundo sa edad na 24.
It started from my neck and then went all over my face, and then within a matter of days it spread all over my body.
Masakit, mahapdi at halos hindi makagalaw dahil sa eczema. Sa loob ng mahigit 1.5 taon, hirap siyang lumabas, hindi makapag-aral ng maayos o trabaho at naglaho ang dating sigla.
It's agony. Like you can't live your normal life. You can't move normally. You can't go to school. Like I couldn't work. I couldn't go to school because it was hard for me to even eat something. Like if I opened my mouth, my skin and my lips would split. Your skin is essentially just burning all day, every day, and it's so itchy and you just want to scratch it, but then when you scratch it, it just like you bleed and it's very painful.
Pero ang ipinagtaka ni Clancy, walang makitang problema sa kanyang kalusugan ang mga doktor.
Yeah, no, there's nothing wrong with your blood test. You're perfectly healthy. And then I thought, if my blood work is healthy, then is this what a healthy body looks like?
Dito niya napagtanto na kailangan niyang labanan ng sakit sa alternatibo at natural na paraan. Bagay na mahirap para sa kanya noong una.
For me, it was a struggle. It's a struggle to just cut everything out and eat all fruit straight away. And so I struggled with that. But now, because I'm so used to it, I can probably go like easily a week or two just eating fruit.
Unti-unti siyang gumaling hanggang nagdesisyon na maging vegan o mamuhay ng walang kinakaing karne. 9 na taon na ngayon.
I just believe in if you're doing your best every day, then that's the best you can do, you know. It's not about having labels. If you're vegan or eat plant-based 5 days a week out of the 7 days, and that's already a huge step in itself.
Noong Pebrero 20, bumalik ang tubong Mindanao sa Camarines Sur para sa isang mahalagang misyon. Kasama ang director, producer at may-ari ng umuusbong na agritourism farm sa Bula, Camarines Sur, na si Boom Dayupay.
Spread the message of healthy living, sustainable farming, being as healthy and as happy as you can be, and sharing and educating people on plant-based living.
Habang nasa CamSur, mas napahanga si Clancy sa mga preskong kinakain sa probinsya, mga pasyalan, at simpleng komunidad.
Nag-hi po kami, sinalubong po namin siya, tapos nag-usap kami ng medyo matagal.
Miss Liz, thank you po sa lahat-lahat at maraming salamat din po na nakapunta ka po dito sa amin.
32 anyos na si Clancy na bukod sa healthy living, nagpatuloy na muling abutin ang mga pangarap sa mundo naman ng musika. Isa na siyang session bassist sa Australia.
I'm so grateful for any and all of the support that you've given, and I feel so welcome. I always want to come back.
May Di Maano, CSN.